Good morning, everybody. Well, the guy for the dirt hasn't came yet. It's supposed to rain today. I'm not sure he's going to show up today. But that's kind of, the rain is also trying to putting a damper on doing that over there. So I guess I'm going to do a little bit more demo today. Finish up filling up the dumpster because those guys are supposed to come out today or tomorrow to pick it up. But yeah, do some demo. Maybe finish up the living room here. Maybe move along. Maybe that way. See how much room that we can actually get some stuff in the dumpster. How much room we have. But yeah, that's what's going on today. A little bit of demo. So yeah, stay tuned.
Take you out, show you the time of your life. I want to figure out what it takes to give you everything you desire. I want to lay beneath the stars with you in the back of my truck. I guess that this is what they call love. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. I've been waiting on the sidelines, praying for the right time to let you know you're all I ever wanted and more. I wanna level out, order something and stay in. Put a record on, let's hide the phones and make believe the world don't exist. Let's pull up ties and take a trip to someplace new. I don't care where, as long as I have you. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. My love for you is insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything for you. Waking up next to you is all I ever want to do. Baby, we can last forever. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. And my love for you is insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. Well, my love for you is insane, but I wouldn't change a thing unless you wanted me to. I'd do anything for you.
dirt over there. Coming along. Woo. Sorry if the video is shaky, I'm doing it on my phone. Got the pipe, it ends out down there. Look at all that dirt. What am I going to do with all that dirt? Good Lord. It's coming along though. It feels good. Like I said earlier, it feels good to have it behind us, and that was one of the first projects that got opened up, is the trenches around the garage there for obviously the water and stuff. But man, it's nice to be done with it. I don't know if the camera was on, but we also got this side done here. Dried in, got the windows cut out. We haven't got the windows for it, so I'm not cutting the waterproofing. But it's coming along. It seems like you're not doing anything, and then all of a sudden you got some stuff done. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and be sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. That way you can follow the journey of fixing this house. Thanks.